Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the Lasko heater won't turn on or it is showing a red light in 2026. So in order to fix it, first of all, you need to make sure that the heater is placed on a flat or the stable surface. Most of the Lasko heaters have a tip over safety switch that is going to prevent it from turning on if it is tilted. So you need to adjust its position and then try again. Now, even after doing this, the issue still persists. Then the next thing that you can do is you can simply perform a quick reset. For that, on your heater, you just have to simply take a look at this particular power button. You need to simply press and hold it for about 10 to 15 minutes so that it could cool down. After that, you just have to plug it back in and turning on. This is going to reset the overheat protection system as well. After that, you need to check the temperature settings. If the thermostat is too low, the heater may not activate. So in that case, simply increase the temperature and select the correct heat mode. Also make sure that the power outlet is working properly. If the red light stays on but the heater still doesn't start, it may be an internal component issue, and in that case you need to simply replace any kind of parts. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.